Rastaman so high. Echo deep from mountain cave, voice of ancient, strong and brave. Tell the story, chant this song, guide the people all along. Every word a root so deep, every call a vow to keep. Voice of Zion, pure and wise, speak the truth, no man denies. Voice of the ancients, loud and clear, call the children far and near. Teach the way from time before. Open wide your wisdom door. It whisper in the wind at night, tell the seeker walk in light. It speak through drum, it speak through fire. Lift the spirit, make it higher. From desert sand to ocean wide, voice of Jah will always guide. No silence hold, no power chain. Ancient voice forever reign. It tell the youth respect the land, hold the silent righteous hand. It guide the elder to recall lessons given to us all. It teach the people unity, live in love and harmony. No hatred stand, no greed survive. When ancient wisdom come alive, me hear it call from forest green, in vision clear, in holy dream. It say, my child, stay strong and true. Jah eternal, walk with you. It tell the tribe to rise and sing, honor life in everything. Voice eternal, never end, guide forever, soul's true friend. When the morning sun arise, voice still echo through the skies. From generation down the line, plain. Drum of Zion break the chain. No ruler's law can hush the beat. Nyabinghi keep we feet. He joined the elder and the youth, make them march in Jah truth. He tell the world of ancient time, of holy mountain and righteous climb. Every top a sacred word, every roll a message heard. No lie can stand, no hate can stay, when Nyabinghi start to play. Me sit beside the firelight, hear the drumming deep of night. It say, hold firm, don't fear the storm. Jah protect and keep you warm. It bind the hearts in love's embrace, bring soil to sky, from root to leaf. Garden bring just soul relief. Garden of Zion, pure and fair. Jah creation everywhere. Fruit of wisdom, leaf of grace. Holy ground, a sacred place. From seed to flower, branch to sun. Garden of Jah will never done. Na na na, Zion Reggae, yeah, man. Blaze up high from heart so true. Fire of Rastaman breakthrough. Burn away the fear and lies. Light the world with just sunrise. Every spark a holy sign. Every flame a true divine. Fire strong, it never tame. Carry forth the righteous name. Fire of Rastaman, bright and bold. Turn the night from dark to gold. Cleanse the land, purify. Lift the soul to Jah most high. It burn the chain of Babylon. Show the people Jah is strong. It got the youth, it warm the old. Tell them story prophets told. No water wash, no storm can kill. Rastafire blaze Jah will. Flame of love and flame of peace. Make the war and hatred cease. It glow within the sacred drum. It chant the call of Zion come. It blazing heart, it blazing song. Guide the nation all along. It teach the people stand upright. Burn away the wicked night. No shadow hide, no darkness stay. Fire light the righteous way. We sit beside the holy flame. Hear it whisper Jah true name. It say, my child, keep faith alive. True Jah love, you will survive. It test the soul, it make it strong. Teach the weak where they belong. Burn the greed and burn the pride. Leave the truth that can't divide. When the dawn upon the land, fire still blaze by Jah hand. From sunset glow to morning bright. Fire of Rastaman give light. From first breath until the end. Sacred fire remain a friend. Carry blessing from above. Blazing fire of you, oh love. Blaze high, blaze clear. Rastafire bring Jah near. No wall, no chain, no iron hold. Fire of Rastaman never cold. Fire of Rastaman, bright and bold. Turn the night from dark to gold. Cleanse the inna the hills. We build me hut. Inna the hills, we build me hut. Smoke me gut. No stress, no rush, no deadline. Just the herbs, the drum and just sunshine. Wake up with the sunrise glow. Cup of bush tea, watch the stream flow. Birds a sing, rhythm on the tree. Nature surround, I just set I free. Me no have no mansion, me no have gold, but the wisdom in my soul that never get old. Me burn the chalice with a humble heart. Each draw remind I where life start. Hillside vibration, higher meditation. Ganja in a hand, no hesitation. Drum beat echo in the morning ear. One love spread, no hatred here. Rasta live simple, Rasta live wise. With the stars above and roots we guide. No traffic, no siren, no noise. Just the flute and the Rasta vice. Me plant me food, me reap me ground. Give thanks when the rain come down. Me reason with me elders, laugh with me youth. Teach them fi stand firm in a Jah truth. Nights we chant, blaze fire upon hill. Drumming and chanting until we feel still. Hillside vibration, sacred foundation. Blaze one figure in a full dedication. We no need no fancy screen, just stars and firelight in between. Rasta na follow, Rasta lead, with natural love and righteous seed. Man chase shadow and dream, blind to the light and Jah redeem. But up your soul, me find me breath. Away from confusion, away from death. Each leaf me touch, each tree me pass. Teach I lesson, show I class. I and I walk with the moon and tide, and chant melodies with nature as guide. Children run barefoot in the yard. Life sweet like mango from me backyard. Me play me guitar under the stars. Sing for the ancestors near and far. Me no need no applause, me no need fame. Me chant in the hills with Jah holy name. Me no war, me no fuss. Me live clean, me them unnatural. Me vibe serene, hillside vibration, soul elevation. With itals too and deep meditation. Come fi visit, but leave your worry. Me teach you how fi slow, no hurry. Inna the hills, Rastaman reign with a smiling heart and no pain. So if Babylon life make you feel low, come find Rasta up where breeze blow. Ganja drum and harmony. Live free under Jah canopy. Zion echoes bring the sound from hillside art to world around. Ayayay, Kaya and meditate, your man. Me walk alone pan a path of stone, far from city, from flesh and bone. Me spirit roam in a misty land. Me hold your book, not Babylon brand. No distraction, no vanity, just the rustle of leaves and sanity. Them say lonely, me say clear. In a silence, Jah voice appear. In a the quiet I grow. Roots dig deep and me soul just flow. No crowd, no hype, ganja light. Inna the quiet, me sight get bright. Inna the quiet I grow, like river that no boast but steady flow. Me no fear fi be alone, cause in a stillness me find home. Me sit pan rock, the moon me friend. Chalice burn till the night don't end. Them chase fame, them chase illusion. Me hold tight to their conclusion. Them build kingdom from concrete steel. Me build strength from what me feel. Me nah envy, me nah war. Me just climb like Zion star. Too much noise in a Babylon town. Them all climb but still fall down. Me climb slow but me climb wise. Me take time fi study the skies. In a silence me sing I song. Me chant it soft but me root strong. Inna the quiet I grow, Rasta seeds in a soul me sow. Me no need crowd fi validate. Me stand firm at your gate. Inna the quiet I know, everything Jah make just so. Me nah rush, me nah run. Me rise slow like morning sun. Some say silence is punishment, but me know it's a sacrament. For every breath, me give thanks. Me walk alone, but me full of ranks. Me see them lost in the flashy light. Me trod alone in a sacred night. Me whisper prayer in a ancient tongue. Me chant psalms when me father sung. Me no hide, me no seek. Me just live real humble and meek. Jah bring storm, but him bring calm. Me find peace in him holy psalm. Inna the quiet I grow. Me nah chase what them show. Me nah dance fi Babylon stage. Me write truth on every page. Inna the quiet I grow. Even when the cold wind blow, me stay warm with Jah fire. Me stay true, me rise higher. So if you're lost in a crowd, come walk with I, far from loud. In a bush, in a hills, in a night, you'll find Jah in a natural light. In a the quiet I grow. In a the silence, Jah blessing flow. Ayayay. Jamaica pushing on the chalice, yeah man. Light up the chalice, silence na the room. Incense mixed with the evening bloom. Me sit still like stone, but me mind fly high. Inna the smoke, me reason with the sky. Inna the corner me sit, herbs in a hand. Me float like breeze over Greenland. Meditation deeper than ocean floor. Each breath me take me open one door. No distraction, no noise, no fight. Just me and Jah inna the soft twilight. Me no need preacher nor politician. Me find truth in the Rasta tradition. Smoke and silence, me in a flight. Ganja guide I through darkest night. No chaos, no fear, just vibration. Rasta trod through revelation. no fi sleep, me no glorify just this smoke, but the message when the silence spoke, it bring me closer to Jah throne. Me realize me never alone. It heal me scars, it calm me rage, it guide me words when me walk on stage. Too many rush, too many blind. Me take me time, me clear me mind. Me no panic, me no pretend. Me live true from start to end. Chalice sing a healing tune in the stillness. We rise above, wrapped in herb, music and love. Zion echoes carry this song. Smoke and silence, Jah make we strong. Bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom. Fire cushion a me low. Whoa. Early in the morning, sun touch my dread. Me light up the herb, clear thoughts from me head. Nature surround me, my spirit feel clean. No noise from the system, just bird and green. Barefoot on earth, connection divine. Me heartbeat sync with Jah's design. No gold, no chain, no modern deceit. Just roots and drum and the Nyabinghi beat. Me close my eyes, me soul take flight. Through the smoke, my vision get bright. Lion on my chest, still calm like sea. Meditation guide I to Jah eternally. Me no need no clock, time nor run I. Me reason with tree, me speak to sky. I tell food, me soul get fed. Me walk with the ancestors, not misled. Mystic light, I shine from within. Rasta spirit free, never caged in sin. We burn the fire, fi clean we way. One love vibration, night and day. Lift up the chalice to Zion heights. Chant down fear, chant upright. Inna the smoke, me find me peace. Rasta meditation, soul release. na 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 na. God bless the people, yo man. Yeah. Me rise before the sun, silence in the air. Wrap me dread, wash me face, chant a little prayer. Ganja leaf in a hand, heart in a calm. Me step in a nature, far from harm. Birds a sing, breeze a blow. Me sit on a rock where cool rivers flow. Me burn one, give thanks to Jah. For life, for breath, for every star. Secret fire, blaze it high. Chant down illusion, reach the sky. Sacred fire, burn them light. Truth arise and Babylon cry. Sacred fire, cleanse the soul. In a Zion flame we feel whole. Me listen deep to me heartbeat drum. Ancient call from where me roots come from. Me not chase gold, me not chase fame. Me chase wisdom, real Rasta aim. Meditation, deep like sea. Mystic rhythm running through me tree. Smoke curl like spiral sign. Me vision bright, me soul aligned. Oh Jah, guide me step from concrete stress to mountain depth. Me inhale breath, exhale fear. Me feel your presence, Jah Jah name. Fire, blaze it high. Rasta light never die. Sacred fire, still my mind. Inner peace is what I find. Sacred fire, show the way. One love, one heart every day. She sit beside I, eyes so close. Hands on heart, her spirit glows. Together we chant, together we feel that real love, that Rasta seal. Children gather, elders we beat the drum till Babylon done. Sacred flame in every song. We burn illusion, we stay strong. This fire no burn skin, it burns sin, ego and lie within. It show you who you are, from earth to star, from near to far. Sacred fire, carry we home. In a Zion, we freely roam. Smoke rise, mind clear. One love, one life, Jah always near.
Zion, ya man, give me the split.
Me wake up, yeah, them open wide, but miss illusion on every side. Them dress up like in suit and tie, smile on TV, but me spirit cry. Them tell we freedom, but it come with leash. Them teach we peace while them rob we peace. Them promise heaven after death. while them poison earth with every breath. Me say, system a ghost, walk through wall, invisible chains still make we crawl. But me soul is fire, roots is stone, no ghost can claim me throne. Them set the rules from cradle to grave, but Jah make kings who not be slave. From chalkboard lies to digital trap, them feed with fiction and call it fact. Me say, tear down the veil from your face, truth not hide, it blaze every place. Every youth is warrior in wait, unlock the gates, reject the bait. No app can map the mind of man, no drone can scan what Jah plan. Me chanting rhythm, me chanting code, decode Babylon in overload. System is a ghost, them can't hold we. Spirit too wild, too free, too holy. We dance in chains till chain them crack. We chanting pain till truth fight back. System is a ghost, me walk right through. Them walls fall down when Jah come true. Me carry the light like torching star. Me born for rebel, me not conform. Me look pan sky, me look pan sea. All creation chant liberty. Bird can be caged, lion not tame. So why mankind live in shame? Them make we chase paper dream, forget more likes on digital screen. But me say soul not swipe or scroll, me chant fi elevate the whole. Them use screen fi hide with pain, me use verse fi break the chain. Me use drum fi talk to sky, me use bassline fi make truth fly. So if you're lost in concrete zone, listen deep, you're still not alone. My voice is candle in dark room, my word is seed that can't stop bloom. Roots deeper than what I can see, me DNA link tree to see. No barcode label, panja man, me not scan, me overstand. System is a ghost, fade and flee. Me chant with sound of prophecy. From slum to hills, we raise the flame. Jah call me real, no need no name. System is a ghost, but we alive. Real ones resist, real ones survive. So chant with me, make Babylon shake. Spirit rise up, soul awake.
Na na, ganja everywhere, yeah man. Me day up on the earth with no chain for me mind. Me spirit like a lion, ancient and divine. No gold watch, no office life. Justice on me herbs, a natural life. Me walk barefoot, panjalan. Feel the heartbeat in me hand. Mountains whisper, secrets deep, and me hold them sacred in a sleep. Firelight and freedom are that me need. Herb in a chalice, pure soul me feed. From Kingston to Addis, me heart a drum. Rasta now run, we just chant and come. Firelight and freedom, no stress me keep. Just chant a psalm when the night get deep. Give thanks for the moon and stars above. Every draw me take is a prayer of love. Me no need mansion or diamond ring. The highest treasure is the song me sing. Me life no complicated, me keep it real. Ital still cook while me spin the wheel. No TV brainwash, no fake illusion. Me sip me roots tonic fi clear confusion. Rasta teach patience, Rasta teach grace. Me move with balance in a Jah place. Me see people chase things them can't even hold. Me prefer a Mac and sunshine gold. Rasta no bow to vanity dream. Me trod light through every stream. a sacred right. Open me mind to inner sight. Rasta life no easy, but it's full of vibes and spiritual pull. When me drum, me talk to stars. Me soul connect with ancestors afar. So me sing with no fear. Me chant till Babylon disappear. Firelight and freedom, soul liberation. Ganja burn down, mental separation. From hillside drum to concrete lane, Rasta vibration will still remain. Firelight and freedom, sweet release. Me live for love, me live for peace. So come here now and rest your mind. Leave your phone, your clock behind. Under stars with Nyabinghi flame, me call your name and feel no shame. In this life of rhythm and reason, me hold tight to firelight and freedom. Ayayay. My Rastas, let decision begin your man. Early morning light, me open up me eyes. Steam rise from the chalice, just spirit in the sky. Me be a foot on the ground, connection deep and true. Ayayay, a child of earth, me heartbeat like bamboo. No rushing at this life, me take it slow. Nature teach the rhythm, every leaf a glow. The sun arise like fireball burning out Babylon dream. Me whole a reasoning with trees, me not chase no bling bling bling. Blaze up the herbs, elevate me soul. Zion highway, that's the only goal. Roots man walk with no disguise. In this life we seek the eyes. Blaze up the herbs, elevate the truth. Zion highway, that's the only goal. Roots man walk with no disguise. In this life we see the eyes. Me take a draw, inhale the truth. Healing of the nation, wisdom of youth. From hills of Jamaica to mountain Ethiopia, one love vibration, me chant it with utopia. Me no need no system to define who I be. Me roots dig deep in ancient prophecy. Meditation in a silence, me higher self a guide. Me float in a frequency no evil can reside. Under moonlight me chant psalms. Me all light all food in me palms. Me reason with the ancients in dreamtime gates. Them show me the path me destiny now waits. Lion roar in a jungle, remind me who me be. A warrior of peace, me hold the reggae key. No gun, no war, just rhythm and faith. Me build up Zion in a humble state. Blaze up the herbs, elevate me soul. Zion highway, that's the only goal. Roots man walk with no disguise. In this life we seek the eyes. Blaze up the herbs, elevate me soul. Zion highway, that's the only goal. Roots man walk with no disguise. In this life we seek the eyes. Me ride the rhythm like a bird palm breeze. Me chant liberation through ancient trees. Each breath a prayer, each word a flame. Me born illusion, me not play Babylon game. Me see children smile in the villages far. No money but them richer than fancy car. Me share me ganja like love, me pass it round. No judgment here, we chant on sacred ground. Yeah, 420 vibes every day. Me not stray, me not sway. Just good food, good herb, good sound. One Rasta love, it always come round. So me say to the youth, stay true, stay high. Me not talk drugs, me talk mind's eye. Lift up your spirit, let go the stress. We born for greatness, not for less. Me end this chant with peace in a heart. Rasta mission appear sacred art. Zion echoes, we forward again. In our roots and rhythm, love always reign. in silence on sacred ground, where no false word, only art sound. No city noise, no digital feed, just earth beneath an ancestral seed. Me nah rush, me nah run, me wait for the rising sun. Me chant and slow like wind through cane, calling the spirit back again. Me say, rise up, oh sleeper deep. You've been numb, been sold, been cheap, but now the drums call back your name. The system rob you but not claim your flame. Return to roots, return to soul, return to fire them tried control. Return to heartbeat, natural time, where truth are rhythm and love are rhyme. Return to roots, hear the call, before the Babylon tower fall. Return to yourself, deeper than deep, where Zion echoes never sleep. Me walk barefoot in the early dew, feeling every step like something new. Them say progress mean tower and light, but me say silence bring greater sight. Me sip from calabash of earth, me remember me spirit's worth. Them take we culture, remix the song, but the soul of Jah still stands strong. Me nah bow to image or trend, me nah live the likes that twist and bend. Me live the feeling that nah need screen, for the sound unseen and in between. Listen, you can't buy peace in store, you can't find truth in Babylon law. It come in breath, in chant, in tree, in every river that flow wild and free. Return my brethren, return my sistren, to the voice that now speak in CNN. It whisper in leaves, in fire, in stone, in meditation when you sit alone. The body feel rest, but the soul not sleep. It travel in vision, it travel deep. Them inject fear through needle and post, but Jah love wide like ocean coast. Them build towers, but them can't reach star. Them fly planes, but them not go far. Cause if your spirit bound in chain, you only fly in circle of pain. Me say unlearn them version of life, it's full of struggle, full of strife. Learn again the ancient path, where silent drum carry Jah wrath. Return to roots, return to breath, beyond the noise of life and death. Return to stillness, holy place, where Zion shine from Jah face. Return to roots, not follow trend, but link yourself to soul again. The truth not flashy, truth not loud, it grows slow like rain in cloud. Me say, meditate pan hill at night, watch the moon chant soft light. Me say, burn herb not fi escape, but fi see the truth in Babylon shape. Cause them disguise lie as progress move, but spirit know what them can prove. Where them call rebel, we call sage. Wisdom live beyond Babylon age. Return to roots, return to flow, the fire inside let it grow. Return to heartbeat, echo clear. Zion not gone, it's always near. Return to roots and take your time. Tune your soul to ancient chime. In stillness you will hear the truth. Zion live in you from youth. Now follow flash, now follow show. Go where the silent rivers go. Seek the ground, seek the flame, and chant again your holy name.
Ayayay, Rastaman smoke kaya. Me walk on One ash where kingdom fall. The mighty wall now does me hear Jack call. The lion not sleep, him just silent feel long. Now him rise up with fire in a song. Me see throne of gold, melting sun, and truth rise up where them blood did run. Me nah fear the shadow of Rome. Me build temple in the roots, me call it home. Them try bury we with concrete lie, but like seed we grow and multiply. Me chant from cave, me chant from field, with reading sharp like rebel shield. From the ashes of empire we rise, like phoenix chanting under blood-red skies. Zion asleep, our heart beat strong. We come with thunder, we come with song. From Babylon fire, truth still glow. Me people rise where the cold wind blow. No chain can hold what Jah design. In every verse we redefine. Them kings wear crown, but them spirit hollow. Them follow ego, we follow the swallow. Bird know disease and the rhythm of change, while man build prison in mental range. Me say free up your mind, let it fly. Me not trust no flag or suit and tie. Me wear rags but me voice rich in gold. Me soul ancient, me song never old. System take culture and turn it trend. Sell we back what we create fi defend. But we not fool by marketing game. We fire still burn with ancestral flame. We sit in circle, beat the drum. Some man spirits where silence come. We not afraid of ruin or fall. Ashes is soil where great trees tall. Me vision deep like cave in earth, where prophecy dream a second birth. We now want revenge, we want return to sacred code. Babylon try burn. Me say chant low when the cops pass by, but we chant loud in the heart and sky. Rebellion sweet when it come with grace. We not fight with hate, we elevate this space. Me reason with monk and man in street. Wisdom now live in degree receipt. Me rather a bowl of idle stew than banquet served by like crew. Them broadcast panic fi keep you small, but me hear freedom in waterfall. Nature whisper, child reclaim. Your spirit now born fi wear no chain. From the ashes of empire we rise. Me sight stars beyond city light lies. Zion now vanish, our code encrypted. Her voice still strong, though long restricted. From ruin and rubble we build again. Not with brick but with paper and pen. Me lyrics like tool, me rhythm like knife. Cut through illusion, give truth life. So me say, blaze it up, light it slow, let the herbs remind you what you know. Jah not sleep, him just step aside till the right time fit truth to ride. From ruin, from dirt, from Babylon smoke, we build anew, we teach word spoke. Ashes can't stop what roots ignite. Zion echoes carry the fight.
Silence, let's go. Tough times, me rise through the pain. Me light the herb, me free the strain. Through the hardships, me find my way. Tough times, me rise every day. Me born in the struggle, me born in the fight. Me face the darkness, me seek the light. The road me walk, me face the heat. But me rise every day, me no accept defeat. Me light the herb, me find the peace. Me let the troubles, me let them cease. Through the trials, me face the storm. Me rise above, me feel the warmth. Me trust in Jah, me trust in the flow. Me light the herb, me let the love grow. Through the struggle, me find the grace. Tough times, me rise in the race. Tough times, me rise through the pain. Me like the herb, me free the strain. Through the hardships, me find my way. Tough times, me rise every day. Me face the pressures, me face the trials, but me keep moving, me keep the smiles. Me rise through the storm, me rise through the heat. Me light the herb, me walk the street. Me trust in Jah, me trust in the plan. Me rise every day, me be the man. Through the struggles, me find the power. Me rise every day, me rise every hour. Tough times, me rise through the pain. Me like the herb, me free the strain. Through the hardships, me find my way. Tough times, me rise every day. Me rise above the struggle, me rise from the test. Me like the herb, me do my best. Through the tough times, me trust in Jah. Rise every day, me reach the stars. Seven roots, Jaman. Let's go. Trust in Jah, me trust in the plan. Me rise every day, me be the man. Through the struggles, me find the power. Me rise every day, me rise every hour. Sign roots, yeah man. Sing the air, every day. Trust in Jah, me trust in the plan. Me right.
Zion roots. In the silence, we hear the cry. The people are suffer, the system alive. We see the chains, we see the cold, but we rise together, brave and bold. We feel the winds, we feel the waves. We breaking free, no longer slaves. In the darkness, the light will shine. We rise as one, we cross the line. We see the strength in every face. We fight for truth, we fight for grace. The struggle is real, the path is long, but me hear the rhythm, me hear the song. Waves of freedom, rise up strong. Together we fight, together we belong. In the name of Jah, we break the chain. We rise as one, we feel no pain. Waves of freedom, feel the breeze. Together we rise, together we seize. In the name of Jah, we find a way. We rise as one, we seize the day. We see the fire, we feel the heat. We rise as one, we won't retreat. The truth are burning, it lights the sky. In Jah's name, we will fly high. We see the children, we see the old. In unity we rise, we break the cold. We no fear, we no fall. Together we rise, we answer the call. We hear the voice of the righteous ones. The battle are calling, the fight has begun. We rise together, we move as one. In Jah's light, the victory's won. Waves of freedom, rise up strong. Together we fight, together we belong. In the name of Jah, we break the chain. We rise as one, we feel no pain. Waves of freedom, feel the breeze. Together we rise, together we seize. In the name of Jah, we find the way. We rise as one, we seize the day. We hear the sound, we feel the beat. In every heart, the rhythm sweet. The call I come, the time is now. We rise as one, we make the vow. No more fear, no more lies. We
rise above. We touch the skies in the name of Jah. We break the chain, together we rise. We feel no pain. Waves of freedom, rise up strong. Together we fight, together we belong. In the name of Jah, we break the chain. We rise as one, we feel no pain. Waves of freedom, feel the breeze. Together we rise, together we see.
Na 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 na, Rasta brother, roll this spliff, yeah man. Me sight her on the hillside with the sun in her eye. She rolling a spliff like a breeze passing by. She say, Rastaman, you feel this light? Me say, yes, Empress, Jah bless this night. We sit under tree, chant a little song. Drum beat in the distance, love feels strong. No city light, just stars above. Me hold her hand, that's roots man love. We smoke, we chant, we float on air. No worry, no fear, we free from care. In harmony we rise, in herbs we trust. Rasta love strong, no fade, no rust. Me give her ital, me cook with soul. Coconut, callaloo, pepper, hot bowl. She dance barefoot on ancient stone. She feel like Zion, she feel like home. Me tell her stories from Jalan. She listen deep, she overstand. We build a fire, we build a vibe. No plastic, love this real, this tribe. Chant down the noise, build up the peace. Me Empress and I, we never cease. We meditate, elevate, rise so high. Smoke curl like prayer to Jah in sky. She braid me locks while me strum guitar. Me sing to her soul, me call her me star. She light up again, me inhale the bliss. Reggae in her background, she give me kiss. No matrix, no app, no ring, just nature's rhythm and bird them sing. We no rush love, we let it flow like the ganja breeze, slow and low. Sometime we travel, sometime we stay, but every step bless along the way. She teach me balance, I give her flame. Together we rise in Jah name. We smoke, we chant, we float on air. No worry, no fear, we free.